Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Fire Fishing here, and so for today's episode I am going to be at a spillway. This is my first time at a spillway, by the way. So I already got done fishing. It's basically the end of the day, but I'm doing my intro and outro right now. So I am at 618 Fishing, favorite spillway ever, the one that he catches all the big bowfin at. Just look at this thing. Yeah, this place, man, it's pretty crazy. I'm like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just sucks. I got all sorts of fish in this video. I'm like right here. I got the one rod with the worm on it, night crawler, going out. And you know how in his videos that he uses like bluegills? I use this in this video. But first, before I even started fishing at all, I was at, or like right here, I was at Carlisle Lake at their spillway, and that's my first time. So it'll start when I start fishing in the video. I'm gonna be at Carlisle, by the way, and not here. But then halfway through, I should be here at this place. So you guys just relax and just enjoy. Where should I?
Right down this way. Wait.
Oh yeah, that current, man. Oh, I thought I had a fish. Yeah. Got him. Yeah, he's small. Woo! Got me a little white bass. A little whitey to start the day off. Perfect live bait, honestly. Adios, dude. Ugh. I got you. I've got you, man. I've got you. Perfect eater.
Yes, it is.
Okay, have fun. we got a striper, boys. Got one. Oh, it came off. There's a school of them right here. Play all little guys. Still a school. Look at all the shad right here. Shad right here. Look at all the shad right here. Hey. Got him. Oh, yep. Maybe he's on there. I don't think he's on there anymore. There was on one. Did have one. Oh, there we go. Got him right on the fall. There. Oh my goodness. See that big carp? That was a common carp right there that just jumped out of the water. I lost like 7 fish now right here. Every cast, I'm getting a bite. No. Just trying something. Oh, there we go. It did work. Keeping the rail trap up high. And I just got nailed. Hey guys, there's a bunch of garlic right out here. Out on the surface. Oh, there we go. Got one. Oh my goodness, why do they keep coming off? I don't know what's up right now. Keep losing every single fish that I'm hooking into. Got him. What is this, a catfish? Oh, a largemouth. We got a largie, guys. Yeah, we got a largie. Look at that, guys. Largie. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. We're gonna get him back in the water. Got me a largie. Bye bye, largie. Easy, quick, and catch and release. Yeah, this looks way more shallow than what he usually. Yeah, there's gar in here. There's a lot of bowfin. Oh, there we go. I watched that man eat it. Little black crappie. I got a little black crappie. Nope, there he goes back into the water. Easy catch and release. There you go, buddy. Oh, there's a carp right in front of me. 2 carp in front of me. Each about right down here. Ooh, someone swiped at it. don't know what. There we go. What is this? This is a baby bowfin? Oh yeah, I got a small bowfin. Get up here, buddy. Dad, look at this. We got a small bowfin.
Yeah, I saw it. I'll bring it up.
Definitely the target species for here. Oh, there we go. You're back in, buddy. Get your butt back in. I'm done with you. I got my picture with you. There, you're back in that water. Get out of here. I'm not touching you. Heck, I'm not getting no hook stabbed right in my finger.
I got him right here, man. He came on up. They're hanging out. Hanging out. Yep, he's hanging out in the shallow, dude.
I used it to catch some of these big monster gar. See, this is when I wanted my pole holder. How's that? Is that gonna work? Maybe down a little bit more. Yeah, I should do it. I should do the trick. See how long it takes to get a bite. Did you guys just see that carp? That carp was probably like 10 plus pounds. Got a popper tied on, guys. We're gonna see if this thing catch me any. Oh no, I'm having a gar eat my lure. My line's hung up in a tree limb. I had a gar eat my lure 3 times. And I couldn't set the hook. Oh, it's a big gar. Oh, he's got it. Oh, that was a huge gar. That's mine. I see one right out there. Got the night crawler with the bobber on. Let me give this a shot. Really just gonna wait for a really nice one. Oh, I got him. Oh, I had one. I guess I could play it like 618. Yes. I know. Oh, there we go. One's got it. One's got it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, oh, look at this big one. Big guy, big guy, big guy. Oh my goodness, humongous dinosaur, alligator. Has to be an alligator, I don't know. Oh, he's gonna attack my bobber. Don't attack my bobber, dude. No, don't attack my bobber. I got a worm down there. Eat the worm, buddy. Buddy. No, you're supposed to eat the worm. Ooh, guys, the big gar's right by it. Oh, come on, eat the fish. Okay, okay, he's got it. He's definitely got it. Oh yeah. He's got the thing. Give him a minute to eat the thing. Wait, my line stopped moving. No idea where my bobber is. My line stopped moving. I think I'm gonna go for the hook set.
Oh, that's a nice little spot over here.
Got him. Oh, he came out. I let him have it for so long. Thinking about tying on my worm. Got him. Little bass absolutely destroyed this thing and ripped off one of my little tail pieces. Oh, Dad, I got a YouTube video going on. And now I got to edit this part out. Okay, guys, there's a bass right there. Peace. Oh, there we go. Ooh, there we go, guys. We got a decent sized bass finally. He's about 1.5 pounds maybe. Oh my goodness. His head's so weird. There we go, guys. Just look at that kind of bass. He's so weird. Look at that mouth. It's like V-shaped. All right, time to get him back in there. Sweet. Alrighty, guys, so I am holding this by my chin and I actually caught a fish while bringing this in. I seen a big carp over here hit it, and I had this big boy hanging out at the end. So that's my first catfish of the day. This was actually filming the intro, like in between the intro and the outro. So he kind of swallowed my hook. So he's a tiny bullhead. He would be perfect for bait, but it sucks, man, because we are leaving. Bam, got him, guys. Look at that little dude. Get him back in there. What's out, man? Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and move this worm back down, and we're gonna let it sit out there, and I'm gonna do my outro with you guys. So this is technically part of my outro now. Just catching that little bullhead and taking him off. Alrighty, guys, so basically what happened is that, let me pick you guys up. There are a carp jumping around everywhere. Around in there. I'm like, they're jumping up about 4 feet. I'm like, what are they called? They're like a silver blackish carp. So I'm like, they could have been, I don't know what kind of carp they were. To be honest with you, never caught a carp before. That's what I was hoping for today. But right over here, tons of gar. But with 618, he's always over here catching bowfin constantly. And I caught one baby bowfin throughout the whole day. So it's been like really crazy, guys. Tried all sorts of stuff after this. We will not eat a thing. But if you guys enjoyed my first ever Spillway fishing video and would like to see more, press that like button, subscribe, notifications bell, and comment down below. And that's been it. You guys have a fantastic day.